So I'm back with this Ridgeway wall clock that has the problem, and I've somewhat gotten the chimes to work or be less sticky, but it still may not be perfect, but we're gonna see how this thing does. Just give it some time, it'll be better. It's already better. Now the strike is where I don't know how this is going to work because one of the hammers in the back is still kind of sticky. And hopefully take the rack out of its place so it can strike until it gets the full ability. If I can even do that. Yeah, I've taken the rack out of the place so it does not connect with the snail and control the chime. It may take a while. It's really stuck. I know it's possible. I know it's like, come on, just do it already. It's getting there. Come on, just do it already. You know what? I give up. It's supposed to sound a little deeper, like that's the chime rod for it. Oh, it kind of did it. If this helps, this is the registered serial number. 890-09504. I'm gonna close this up. And of course the camera's all fuzzy. That's about it.